Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NVDA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. Did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And just quickly want to touch base as we head into a new week, and I guess really a new year when I stop and think about it. But regardless, today, yeah, not the best day. So there is kind of some it depends going into this, meaning, well, if you bought right there and you were a day trader and you wanted to sell within 5 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture, then the bulls still have an opportunity to make progress from the move yesterday. And, that's the name of the game. What do I mean by make progress from the move yesterday? Well, really kind of a combination of the past couple of days. But here is the move that I'm talking about. And the best way to make progress is, well, by putting in higher lows. Obviously, you can't make progress if you're going right back to where you started. I'm assuming I state the obvious. And as I talked about in yesterday's videos and the past couple is, that's why $1.06 is so important, because if the price pulls back here, which essentially it is done. So at this point, if the price continues to do what it's been doing, and meaning bounce here around $1.06 or 106, and then head back up, at that point that would be progress. Why would that be progress? Well, that would imply that this is where the set of bases, previous set of bases would be down here. So if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So again, sure, not the best day in the sense of, yeah, today in and of itself the price did pull back. But assuming you care about more so a bigger picture, then you're going to want to look at more than 1 day in particular. And when you look at the past few days, you can see that, yeah, okay, the bulls still do have chance. Again, I fully realize that if you're a day trader and you bought someplace else, all this may sound crazy to you for me to say that things are still bullish. But remember, that's all about perspective. And if you didn't know what your strategy was going in, then, well, that's a whole nother discussion, and we're not going to get into that in this video. But I just say maybe consider tapping the brakes on your trading if you're just hopping into trades without a strategy. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots, $1.06 continues to be that near-term key level of support, more so an overall level of support from a bigger term perspective. Keep an eye on that pink line down there. That's the famous 200 period simple moving average. So those will be the two initial areas of support going into next week. Resistance-wise, nothing here has really changed. Key level still up there at $1.14, but a near-term one, keep an eye on the purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So all in all, not the best day in and of itself today, but taking a step back, you can see the bulls still have some opportunity to make progress. So we'll see if they can do that or not next week. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.